Hey, it's Thomas here from Scopious IoT, and today we're going to walk you through how to add devices to the platform. The important thing to note here is you can add devices regardless if you have a gateway added to your account. This is because devices can use shared gateway coverage. For our example, we do have a gateway already added, so we will be using that gateway. But it may be important to check if you have coverage in your area before trying to add devices, because that could be an unneeded hiccup in the device adding process. So first you go to devices on the left here, and you'll see there's a few options around. You can either see the devices in list view or map view. List view will list them all, and map view will show them based on the coordinates on a map, such as this, in case you had them spread out over a large geographic area. You can also import devices, such as via a CSV, and do this to mass add devices, or you can add devices individually with the add device button. You'll see there's a few different ways you can add devices. First is via searching, one of the faster methods to add devices. You will see we've got the default Scopious pool. This is the pool to use if you're using Scopious Premium service, which gives you dashboards. We will enter a device EUI. Now we can search for this device EUI in our claimable devices. And you can see it will pop up here with an AM103, which is what we have. We will give this device a nice friendly name. You will notice here, while we're adding the device, the app key is always hidden. This is done for security reasons by the platform. And this is where we can set the device's location. So this will use the Google location services on your phone or laptop to locate the device. You may have to hit allow if your browser prompts you. And then we will add the device. And once the device has been added, you will just need to restart said device. I will just restart mine now. Now we will give the platform and a device a few seconds to connect up and let everything get ready for the device to come online. And you can see the device is already online and will be uploading data. So if we wanted to add a device through one of the other options, we also have QR code, template, and manual registration. QR code is using the camera built into your device. Template is via using a template here. We'll have a further video on how to set up a template for device adding. Manual registration, this is useful if you're using service level 1 for Scopious. This is pure undecoded and raw data only for data forwarding to another platform. And you will just need to make a new device pool and connector. And then enter the device details below using dev UI, app key, etc, etc. Next we will do QR code on a mobile phone. So as you can see, we added a device previously in the web interface of Scopious. So now we'll do it in the mobile interface. So here we will just go to devices in the mobile interface. So we tap on the hamburger menu in the top right, and we can go down to devices. So now we will use one of the other device adding steps that we saw earlier using the QR code. So we will just add the QR code now. Now, if your phone has multiple cameras, we will now just select one of the back cameras. And then we will find the QR code on the back of the device. There we go. It's now just scanned the device. It has automatically picked up the dev UI. So we will go and update this device, which is a WS303. And we will update its location using the Google location services on my phone. Add the device, and now we will just need to restart said device. So I will scan the device with Toolbox on my phone. The device will now reboot, and as it reboots, we will go back to Scopious. And we will refresh. And we can now see that device is online as well. So that is using both the QR code and using the search functionality to find and add devices to Scopious. You can use whichever is easier for the device. In several situations, sometimes one is easier than the other, and it's important to use both. If you have any further questions or want to add devices that aren't Scopious approved, please get in touch with the team or refer to our knowledge base.